Good afternoon, and welcome to 42289 Saratoga Circle. Hey guys, Rich Sparks. I'm going to show you this great 3-bedroom condo over in Canton, Michigan. I think you're going to like it. Stick around. Stick around to the end. We have a special feature we want to share with you. Now you have a private entranceway coming in. And let's go inside and check out this spacious condo. A huge living area featuring hardwood floors. You have a nice vestibule area as people come in. Cloak closet right there. Gas fireplace for those chilly winter nights in Michigan. Now, one of the cool things about this property is you not only have the formal dining room, but you have a breakfast nook also. So if you are doing a work at home, this would be a great place to turn one or the other into a work zone. Everything is clean throughout. Plenty of area to make those meals and have people over. Nice little place here. I think I personally would make this a work zone. Now this room is right now being used as a drop zone, but what I've seen is most people have converted that into a first floor laundry, which makes living here that much more convenient. The master suite has a walk-in closet in addition to a full bath. Lots of space here. Again, you're not going to have to be crawling over someone to get in and out of bed. Second bedroom is quite large. And throughout the house, you have a lot of storage. All the closets are good size. Secondary full bath with a jetted tub. And this is our third bedroom. This is the smallest of the three. You do have 2 sets of windows, so you get kind of a cross breeze if you want, which I think is pretty neat. Now, let's go down and check out the finished basement. The finished basement is going to be perfect for a man or woman cave. It's giving you around 680 square feet of additional living space. But this is my favorite. The 2-tier deck overlooking a really nice green space. So you're not looking right into someone else's window. And if you're anything like me, I do enjoy being outside, but something else I do enjoy is a little bit of shade. And with this electric awning, you'll have all the shade you need. Now, I'm about 6 foot tall and I could walk underneath that no problem. Lots of space to not feel closed in. I know I've walked under some that was a little too tight for my liking. Now check this out. 5 myths about buying a home. 1. Now is a bad time to buy. Fact, with home values and interest rates rising, it's cheaper to purchase sooner than later. Number 2, it's cheaper to rent than to own. Fact, in most states, owning a home is the cheaper option. Number 3, you need to make a 20% down payment. Fact, the average down payment is actually around 12%. Your accepted offer is set in stone. Fact, a lot needs to happen between the offer and the closing. You don't need to get educated before buying a home. Fact, learning the process, pitfalls, and requirements can save you time, headache, and money. Register for our free Homeline Buying webinar. The link is below.